Okay, guys, we have Nasdaq. This for our time frame. I just wanna take you through something which we have been discussing, and right now we are getting close. So, looking at what we have here, if you get to check here, we have a institutional trading reference point for price to go down. Okay, so these are price level where we expect price to give us a drop. So we expect to see price decline at this level. So let me just put these here and also put some price label here. Yeah, so this is the price level where we expect to see decline. So first thing first, our take profit can be here. We can put our take profit here. It's gonna be our first take profit. And secondly, we can go with this level here and say this is our take profit. So this is going to be our first take profit, and this is going to be our second take profit. So when price get to this level, we expect to see price decline. So just wait and see what price does when it gets here. We want to see a spike taking place here for those of you who wants to wait for confirmation. But for some of us who can just put some sell limit and forget about it, we just want to put some sell limit and price will activate and go down. But if you feel like you want to wait for confirmation, just wait for price to spike this level, and then you can enter once you see price showing some willingness to go down. Okay, so let's just wait and see what happens, and we take advantage of it. Here we are. As we discussed our setup, you can see that our price got to this level and price rejected. So if you look, let's just do like this because this is Nasdaq. Let me just shift on a smaller time frame. Okay, just shift on a smaller time frame and show you our first target. Where was our first target? Okay, so this is where we entered. Let's take you entered here with let's just put the lot size that most of you have used 0.1 lot size to enter this trade. Okay, so basically that's what we're gonna put here. And remember, we entered on 1 minute here, based on something that we saw. We use it as a point of reference. So now you can project to say how much did you make. Let's take we put here on our first target, let me just say 12.4.25. I'll fix it later, okay, just to put in something. Okay, remember, this is our first target here. Here's our first target here. Here's our first target here. Okay, so this simply means if you entered with lot size 0.1, you're gonna be making how much? You made let's see. Let me wait for this to appear. That simply means you made 672 US dollars. Just not even 30 minutes, not even 50 minutes. So for those of you who are holding, you can come take this as your second objective here. You can put it here and do your projection, but make sure that you protect your profit because Nasdaq is very volatile. It can come back at this level and get to come back here. So if we can hold until price get to this level, this is 1.3 US dollar that you're gonna be having. And then our last objective that we are looking at is this one. Remember, these are reasonable objective, okay? So, but last time, as we discussed on previously on that video, I've said something that this is going to be our first objective and this is going to be our second objective. Yeah, it's true, but unless the market is crashing and stuff like that, just don't rely on that one, okay? So this will just be the last take profit that I can advise you to put. So if you still want to hold for this take profit that I've projected here, what you can do, you can just reduce your lot size, leave the smallest lot size, and make sure that you put your SL at entry, and then you let it run, okay? So without any waste of time, guys, let me leave you. I have to sleep. It's night now. I have to sleep. I'm tired. I'm already out of this trade, okay? I'm already out of this trade.